This is really an incredible time for Hampton Roads, and incredible opportunities lie ahead in us coming together and creating an aspirational health sciences center. We look towards the community leaders to help support this by their commitment, by coming with us into this health science center. I think, as we've discussed with regards to the business leaders, the community leaders are key to the success. I go back to EVMS. EVMS would not be here without the community leaders that came about. Certainly with the business leaders also, to create the vision for this community. This is the time again for all of us to come together in Hampton Roads and support this vision that will provide for something really special that would impact the health, the economy of this community into the distant future.
And there's one other component of why the community should be thinking about this and leaning in to help us make this a reality. When you look at all of the measures of health disparities, whether it's cancer, diabetes, heart condition, infant mortality rates, we're leading in all of the wrong categories. And it's not just leading the Commonwealth, we're leading nationally in a number of areas. And so we have a responsibility, and the community has a responsibility to look at how we work together to bring out better health outcomes for our fathers, our mothers, our siblings, our cousins. We have a responsibility to make a difference. And I know that we're committed to doing that with this initiative.
Addressing health disparities in community is a generational amount of work. This doesn't get solved by us coming together. It requires everybody's commitment and everybody's support. It requires a foundation though, and what we are doing together is building that foundation from which the support and the research, the clinical activities, the educational activities will become more robust to allow us to address the health disparities in the region. It is all our moral responsibilities to address those issues. And I think this is why the community leaders, the business leaders, us, and everybody around should come together to really help us address the needs that exist in our neighborhoods.